Hello children, welcome back to Uma Talks, and here again with English First Flight Standard 10th. Okay, so coming to the next chapter, Glimpses of India. Okay, lesson 7. Now children, Glimpses of India has 3 parts. Okay, you can say 3 different stories. From different parts of the country. Okay, glimpses, you can say views, you can say sights, whatever it is. So there are 3, a baker from Goa, Coorg and tea from Assam. Okay, so we are going to do in 3 parts. So this part I am going to do baker from Goa. So let's start it. Glimpses of India, and the first part we are doing baker from Goa. Yes, before that I would like to tell you children, definitely when I started making videos for you during this lockdown time, my main aim was that it would be beneficial for you all, okay, and you are not getting live classes to see the teachers in front. So that was my main aim. So I did not have all the resources. I hope you understand. Okay, the best sort of camera for the sound, okay, even what do you say, mic and all that I didn't have. Okay, so with my mobile phone only I started shooting. So I just thought that you would appreciate my efforts. Okay, and yeah, I am going to make it better day by day, and I have ordered for a microphone, a phone, a caller mic, okay, and all that. So do bear with me, okay, and appreciate my efforts. That is what I want, okay, because it is always give and take. Now when I am thinking so much for you, at least you should be little appreciative. So that is what I wanted to say. Thank you, okay, and for all those who are responding, really thank you so much. Okay, and be responsive. Do write that yes ma'am, I do understand, okay, because the whole from the heart it is for you. Okay, you know that I have served so many, I have been serving for you children, okay, and I want you to excel. So that is what is I want. Okay, so let's come back to the chapter. So Glimpses of India, a baker from Goa. Yes, here what we'll talk about the bakery person, bread wala jo dekhte ho aap log cycle mein aate hain na, somewhat about that, and I'll tell you about my childhood story also today. So let me begin. Let me start. Baker from Goa, and this is the story of Lucio Rodrigues. Okay, so here this is the story of old Portuguese days. So that time the people of Goa, they used to eat loaves of bread. These days you have breads को cut करके जो pieces आते हैं ना, 24 pieces और जो पूरा bread loaf आती है, it was not like that. One complete loaf without cutting. So one person, like one bread complete loaf, one person would eat. So they used to suffice that bread, okay. And now those type of loaves have already disappeared. This is once upon a time, you can say. Okay, but the makers, the people, those who made those breads, they are still there. So the furnaces in which they used to be baked, that is also still there. Okay, and the sound of the traditional baker's bamboo can still be heard. So over there in Goa, still the bamboo sort of, you can say that thela that they used to get it, that is also still there. And someone of the family still carries the business. So that business of carrying the bread and biscuits and all the bakery items, that still continues in Goa. And these bakers, these people, okay, the families, they are known as Padar, P-A-D-E-R in Goa, even today. Now I'll tell you children, during our days, okay, I'm from Jamshedpur, and during that time when we were children, yes, the bread wala who used to come, not like y'all, as you see, no, cycle wala jo aata hai bread leke. So not like y'all. During our times, in our places, okay, they used to have this long rectangular sort of gadi, you can say, wooden as a box. Okay, it used to have wheels, and the person used to carry it, and that it used to have compartments, or compartments where they used to keep breads, baked biscuits, then quite many items, even chocolates, everything over there. And we used to wait. In the evening time it used to come, and in the morning around 6 to 7 ke beech mein to it used to come into our colony. Evening time it used to come around 3:30, okay, in our colony. So morning we would never get it because going to school. Evening time, yes, playing time it should be after coming from school, having food and all, and used to wait for that bread wala. Okay, so sometimes cream roll, that also I used to get. So it really interesting it used to be. Gave me a flashback, so I wanted to share it. Nice time we really had, and that time he used to make notes, diary. So if we are playing, he knew that कौन सा quarter से है. Okay, he used to just write the quarter number over there, and if I'm playing somewhere, I would say, Uncle Ji, give me one whatever, a biscuit or something like that, or a cream roll. He would give, and he would enter into that, and at the end, in 1 month, he would go to the family, would go to my mother and take the money from there. So that used to happen for all the houses during that time. So a happy moment shared. So now let me come to this. So finally, coming to the baker. Okay, the baker used to be the author's friend. So author was Lucio Rodriguez, and he had a baker friend. Okay, and guide also. He used to come here also. This bread wala used to come twice a day. As I told you, even we had in the morning and in the evening. Here also. And the sound of this bamboo, okay, what they did, you know, while taking from one colony to another, what we had is that pom-pom wala, kya bolte hain? That used to have, जैसे buses में जो बजाते हैं ना, that he had. And here in Goa, it says that वो जो cover है, that cover he used to, that is bamboo का. So they make sound with that. And here he used to make sound in the other way for us. So the author used to run to him for bread bangles. So bread ka bangles sort of shape in Goa. Well, I have not seen that, as I told you what items used to be there. Here the author had bread bangles, and the author used to run. As soon as he used to hear the sound, he used to run. Yeah, really marvelous it used to be. Okay. So the maid servants used to buy loaves and carry them inside the houses. And the servants, they would buy loaves of bread and they used to carry into the houses. While this child liked the bangles shaped bread. Okay, so now the bakers come with the jing jang sound of his bamboo staff. So that is what the sound, as I said, pompo for us, and here they made a jing jang sound. And one hand supported the basket on his head, the other bagged the bamboo on the ground. Okay, so they carried some extra breads also on their head, and one the bamboo, you can say, the other one with the baker. What do you say, that ghadi sort of thing. Okay, the author and others would look into his basket and they would eat the loaves with hot tea. So in Goa they used to buy those loaves of bread and they used to eat it with tea. Okay, as we have breakfast and all that, no, they used to have these loaves of bread with tea. And they would not, sometimes they would not even brush their teeth, and that is the Western culture, you know. Without brushing the teeth you have, while we follow a different way. Okay, and the baker was very important for all, as I told you. Okay, and for all the occasions, even marriage times, marriage gifts were meaningless without the sweet bread called a bowl. Sandwiches, cakes, bolinhas were made with the bread. So all these, that is Goa culture. Okay, even the marriages could not be complete, would be meaningless without these items, bakery items. That is what he means to say. Okay, and what we for us. Now the person who used to come with this, the baker man, he used to wear dhoti down and a kurta out. So that was his dress. But here they had a peculiar dress. It was known as kabai. Okay, a single piece long frock. So here he says that like a frock like thing, one single piece he used to wear in Goa. And it reached down to the knees and similar to half pants of today. And something like half pant ka size tak, wahan tak the frock would go. So that type was the dress of the bakers. Now bakers used to be a happy family. Yes, they usually collected his bills at the end of the month. Yes, this is what I also said, that they used to collect the complete bill at the end of the month, not every day. Okay, because things were very cheap during that time. And every day the mothers did not have money to give 1 rupee, 2 rupees. Okay, at the end of the month, if it is 200, 250, 300, whatever, they would give that 300 to the person. So the same thing happened in Goa as well. So baking was a profitable profession in the olden days, and the baker and his family never starved. They never starved, means they never died of hunger or something like that. No starving was there. They made a very good business. Okay, and their fat bodies showed that they were happy and were not poor. And they used to be little plumpy also, selling things and earning quite a lot of money. So here you took me back into my childhood days. Okay, a very beautiful story. Yes, a baker from Goa, and it just gives you a glimpse. It gives you a sight of India. Okay, during the past. So hope you must have understood. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you, children.